Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about wedding and bridal business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify in the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial like this. Now you can just skip all this if you want. Just continue. Now wait a few seconds to build in this website store. The first thing you have to do now, go to the online store and go to the themes. Here where you can change the themes if you want and customize the themes on your homepage store. So here for example I'm gonna select this craft, click add and wait to install the theme to publish it. So once your theme is installed, click publish, and here you can customize it on your home page. Now click here customize and it will take you to your home page store. So here this is your home page store. The first thing here you have the style of your home page. You can change the style like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here we find the settings where you can design your home page store. So the first thing here we have the announcements bar. You can change the color scheme if you want. You can also show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. Also you can pass the link or search for collections or products. So that's it. Now let's get back to the header. Here also you can edit the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can also change the desktop menu type. You can manage the sticky header section. You can show the separator line. Here you can manage the color scheme. So also you can change the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector and language selector. You can manage the mobile layout and manage the spacing and the section pattern. You can manage the theme settings. So here you can enable search suggestions. You can enter here you can put your social media links. You can put your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or YouTube. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo section. Here you can select from your library or from the browser. For example, let's search on it on the browser. Wedding and bridal logo ideas like this. So for example you can choose anything from here. So for example this. So that's it. This is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. You can remove it. Here you can design the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the rich text. So here this the rich text. It is the desktop contents position and the content alignments, the color scheme. Also you can change it. You can make section full width, and also here you can uh, manage the section padding. If you want to delete some sections, just select it and click here remove section and it will be deleted. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text if you want. Just describe what this text is about. Click here generate. So for example this, you can change the heading size. So that's it. Let's move on to the college. Here you can generate the text. Just describe what the text is about. You can just type just within if you want. Here you can change the heading size. You can also change the desktop layout, the mobile layout. So that's it. Now let's move on to the featured collections. Here you can change the heading. Also you can just describe what this text is about within and generate. Here are also the description just like this. Type the within, and here you can edit the form of the text. You can change the heading size. You can show collection description from the admin. You can edit the description style. Also you can create or change the collection or remove it. You can make product full width. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can manage the product card. Here you can show the second image on hover. You can also show vendor on the home page. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the footer section. You can edit the email sign up. Just edit the color scheme, or you can make section full width. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here and select what kind of homepage you want to add, like a slideshow or image banner or image with the text. Just it should be related to this business, the wedding and bridal. So that's it for today. Now after you're done from this, save this, and let's get back to the dashboard, the homepage, where you can name your store. So here, let's go to the home. Now after you customize your online store, after you add your first product and import it, after you add the custom domain, and after you add the shipping details, the next step is name your store. Click here, name store, and now you can name it. Type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone if you want. You can change your store email. So that's it. Now just save this. Now you can just launch it and publish your homepage store. And that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.